Let me guess. You opened ChatGPT hoping for marketing magic, and what you got back sounded like your accountant tried stand-up. Crafting innovative solutions to unlock growth. Yeah, no. In this video, I'll show you how to turn ChatGPT into a real marketing assistant, one that understands your business, gets your tone, and actually helps you sell without sounding like a corporate chatbot. And no, you don't need to be a prompt ninja. You just need to stop doing what 99% of people do. You've probably felt it. That weird disconnect between what you want to say and what ChatGPT spits out. Because the problem isn't the AI. The problem is how we talk to it. But don't worry, it's not your fault. Most of the advice out there is either overly technical or just plain wrong. Add more words, use bullet points, say please, cute. Doesn't work. Today, we flip the script. You're not just going to learn how to prompt, you're going to learn how to think like someone who gets results with AI. Marketing isn't a task, it's a mindset. It's not write me 5 headlines. It's understand who I am, who I serve, and what emotion I need to trigger. So the real shift starts here. You don't use ChatGPT to do marketing. You use it to amplify your voice, your strategy, your edge. That's what changes everything. Step 1. Install a strategic role, not a tool. Let's start with a fatal mistake. Most people talk to ChatGPT like it's a vending machine. I want a blog post. Cool. Press F5 for disappointment. Here's what to do instead. Prompt: from now on, you are my strategic marketing assistant. You help me clarify, amplify, and emotionally connect with my ideal audience. You think in terms of impact, resonance, and simplicity. If my request lacks context, ask questions before answering. See what happened? You didn't assign a task. You created a role. You're not giving orders, you're setting the frame. Step 2. Transfer your voice, not just instructions. AI is like a mirror. If you feed it surface-level input, it reflects emptiness. If you give it essence, your rhythm, your stories, your vocabulary, it reflects you. So here's your move. Paste in your last 3 social posts, emails, or even a voice note transcript. Then say, analyze my tone, sentence style, and emotional rhythm. Use this voice for all future outputs unless told otherwise. It learns. It adapts. And suddenly, your marketing feels like you, not a corporate intern guessing your personality. Step 3. Prompt like a strategist, not a beggar. This is where most prompt lists fall apart. They give you templates, but they don't teach you intention. Here's the difference. Write a subject line for my email. Write 3 emotionally resonant subject lines that speak to people who are tired of generic marketing, crave clarity, and want to feel seen. That's not fluff. That's persuasion. You're planting emotion, curiosity, relevance, and ChatGPT responds in kind. Let's run a before-after. Bad prompt. Give me a product description for a social media course. And here is the result. Describe this social media course for creators who feel overwhelmed by trends, crave real strategy, and want to build long-term visibility without burning out. Make it feel exciting, liberating, and smart. And here's the result. You can do this, but it'll cost you time. Now, could you build your own system of prompts from scratch? Absolutely. Could you spend hours refining them, testing tone, calibrating emotional impact? Yes. But that's the trap. Because every hour you spend tweaking, you're not creating. You're stuck in prompt purgatory, knowing AI is powerful, but not knowing how to actually use it to move the needle. And here's the thing. It's not about knowing more. It's about asking better. If you're tired of wasting hours on content that feels flat, if you know your ideas are solid but somehow the message still doesn't hit, and if you're ready to make ChatGPT sound like a real marketer, not a confused intern, then listen closely. I'm creating something for you, a guide, a prompt collection that actually works. The kind that makes your brand sound like you on your smartest, sharpest day. It's not ready yet, but it will be soon. And when it drops, it'll launch at a special price, just for the first week. Then it goes up. So here's the move. Drop a comment. Just write, "I want the guide," or whatever you'd yell to a friend in the hallway. I'll tag you the moment it goes live. And hey, even if that's not your thing, what's one marketing message you've been struggling to get right with ChatGPT? Drop it in the comments. Let's fix it together. Could be the next video. Could be the breakthrough you were waiting for. If this video gave you even one useful idea, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's in the same game as you. Because the more we grow this space, the more tools I can give you. This isn't just content, it's practice. It's real world. And if you're still watching, it means you're serious. Let's build something that actually works. This is AI as leverage, and your leverage just got smarter. See you in the next video.